Welcome students in the organic chemistry lecture series. Today in this video we are going to study about what is E2 elimination reaction and its mechanism. In previous video we have already seen what is elimination reaction, what is beta elimination reaction. We have seen there that beta elimination reaction can take place by three different mechanisms. If the CX bond and CH bond breaks simultaneously, I will write once again the structure. Say if here is a hydrogen and here is a suppose X, okay, then if this CH bond and this CX bond breaks simultaneously to eliminate HX molecule and there is a formation of alkene, then this mechanism is called as E2 elimination. If this CH bond and this CX bond breaks simultaneously, then it is called as E2 elimination reaction. Okay, so I will take one example first. Example of E2 elimination. Consider the example. Consider an example of E2 elimination so that you will understand. Suppose we have one bromopropane CH3 CH2 CH2 Br, and this one bromopropane is treated with KOH base. There is a formation of propene, CH3 CH double bond CH2 with the elimination of HBr, or you can say KBr plus H2O. Okay, so this is the E2 elimination reaction. This is E2 elimination. You remember, this is the example of E2 elimination. The name of starting material is 1-bromo propane. Okay, and what is the name of product? It is propene, because it has double bond, it is alkene. So this is the example of E2 elimination. Now in this reaction, the rate of formation of this propene depends upon concentration of this 1-bromopropane as well as concentration of this alcoholic KOH. That means the rate of formation of this propene depends on both the starting materials, 1-bromopropane, that is alkyl halide, as well as base, that is alcoholic KOH. Therefore, it is found that rate is equal to K into concentration of, I will write here CH3 CH2 CH2 Br as well as concentration of this KOH. Okay, so by observing this rate equation, we can say that the reaction is second order reaction. The reaction is second order. Why second order? Because the rate of this reaction depends upon two substrate. One is alkyl halide and another one is base. So that's why it is second order reaction, or you can say it is bimolecular reaction. Bimolecular, but bimolecular reaction, but it is elimination, so that's why it is called as E2 elimination. Okay, so I hope now it is clear to you that what is E2 elimination. What is E2 elimination? Why this elimination is called as E2 elimination? Because if we see the example and if we study the rate of this reaction, then we came to know that the rate of this reaction is proportional to concentration of 1-bromopropane as well as concentration of alcoholic KOH. That means concentration of both the starting material. So we can say that the reaction is bimolecular. So bimolecular, therefore it is E2 elimination. So this is the E2 elimination reaction, its example. Okay, and why it is called as E2 elimination. Now we will see the mechanism of this reaction. Okay, we will see the mechanism of mechanism of E2 elimination. Okay, we'll see the mechanism. Okay, now we will consider the same example what we have seen: CH3, CH2, CH2, Br plus OH minus. There is a formation of CH3, CH, CH3, CH double bond CH2 plus, there is a formation of say KBr plus water. Okay, so this is the example. Now we have to see the mechanism. Okay, now in mechanism you know that CH bond and CBr bond break simultaneously. So this starting material I will write in a different way to understand. Say suppose इसको हम ऐसे लिखते हैं CH3 CH इसको भी हम थोड़ा सा मतलब क्लियर लिखते हैं सो दैट मैकेनिज्म समझ में आएगा. कार्बन, हाइड्रोजन, हाइड्रोजन, and here is a bromine. Okay, now you see here uh, this bond CX bond and this bond is important for us. As I said earlier that in beta elimination this CH bond and CBr bond breaks simultaneously. Now how it breaks, see, in the surrounding there are OH minus ion. Okay, matlab basic solution is there, so this OH minus, it is base, so this OH minus abstract this proton, OH minus abstract this proton, this bond shift here, and this bromide along with bonding pairs goes away. This process takes place simultaneously, that means abstraction of proton, shifting of this bond and shifting of this bromide away. All this process takes place simultaneously. So we can draw the transition state like this. ट्रांजिशन स्टेट हम ऐसे ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं. ओके, दिस इज हाइड्रोजन, this is carbon, this bond is as it is, so no change in that bond. Here also no change, here also no change, only this bond is forming. Okay, this carbon, this bond is as it is, this bond is as it is, but this bond is breaking, so we'll remember it as a dotted. So bracket, here is also delta negative charge, delta negative charge. So this is the transition state, I can say. ट्रांजिशन स्टेट. देखो क्या हो रहा है कि साइमल्टेनियस प्रोसेस हो रहे हैं, मतलब एब्स्ट्रैक्शन ऑफ प्रोटॉन, शिफ्टिंग ऑफ दिस बॉन्ड, रिमूवल ऑफ ब्रोमीन टेक्स प्लेस साइमल्टेनियसली, एंड finally we get the product CH3 CH double bond CH2 plus Br minus plus H2O. So this product we get. So this is the mechanism of this reaction. Okay, I hope this mechanism is very clear to you. So I will once again explain what happened in the mechanism. See, this is alpha carbon, this is beta carbon. Okay, so the proton which is present on beta carbon is always abstracted by the base. So this KOH is base in the surrounding, so this OH minus will abstract this proton. This bond is getting shifted here to form double bond, and as soon as the bond is shifted, this bond is also going to remove along with Br minus. So this is the transition state, it is very unstable, and finally we get this product, that is propene, along with elimination of Br and water. So this is the E2 elimination. I will draw here the energy profile diagram. Energy profile diagram. So this is x and y axis. On x axis, suppose reaction coordinates are there, reaction coordinates. Okay, On y-axis there is a potential energy PE. Okay, now see what happened. Suppose we have a starting material here. Okay, so that starting material is here. So from here reaction is occurring, and then finally we get the product here. Okay, so say here is a primary alkyl halide, that means CH3, CH2, CH2Br plus KOH is here. Okay, here there is a transition state, ये जो है वो transition state, and here there is a product, that is CH3, CH double bond, CH2. Okay, so if we draw the line here, then you see there is a difference between energy of product and reactant. So this is the we can say delta H. This is the energy of reaction, and this is the, we can say, EA, that is energy of activation. That means amount of energy required to raise a starting material to transition state, that is called as EA. So what is EA? EA is energy of activation, and delta H is heat of reaction, you can say heat of a reaction. You will find here that the energy of product is less than energy of reactant, and that's why reaction is spontaneous and the product is stable. If the energy of product is more than starting material, then reaction will not happen, remember always. Okay, so this is all about the mechanism of E2 elimination. So I will summarize this in today's uh, video. What we have seen, what is E2 elimination. So what is E2 elimination? If the CH bond and CX bond breaks simultaneously, then the mechanism is called as E2 mechanism. In first step itself, the base abstract the proton to break the CH bond, and also the bromine leaves, that means halide leaves, in the first step. So both process taking place simultaneously. So it is E2 elimination. So why E2 elimination? Because the rate of this reaction is proportional to alkyl halide concentration of alkyl halide as well as concentration of base. That's why the reaction is of second order and it is called as bimolecular. Okay, the mechanism of this reaction you can explain by taking the example of uh, any alkyl halide, say CH3, CH2, CH2Br plus KOH. There is a formation of CH3, CH double bond, CH2 plus Br minus plus H2O. So you can explain this E2 elimination by taking this example. So this is all about E2 elimination. In our next video, we will see about what is E1 elimination, what is E1 elimination reaction, its mechanism, along with example and energy profile diagram. So up till now, we'll stop here and have a nice day. Thank you.